Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in beautiful Atlantic City on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. We're going to check out a room today at the Ocean Casino and Resort. Kind of a busy video. We're going to check out that room, and then we're going to check out the pool area, and then we're going to do a slot pull here later tonight. And while that's a lot for one video, what we're not going to do today is an entire hotel and casino tour. I actually did one the last time I was here last week, so that video will be coming out soon. It's been a while since we did a full extensive tour of the Ocean Casino and Resort. But today, again, we're just checking out the rooms, the pools, and then there's that slot pull. Will I be lucky or not? I have no idea. Well, actually, I do have an idea, but you have no idea until the end of the video. In the past year, I have visited lots of casual restaurants here at the Ocean Casino and Resort, including Harper's, Mackay, Serendipity 3, Wahlburgers, Zen Bang, Cappuccino, Villain and Saint. All those videos are available here on the New York channel, and come this fall, I plan on focusing on more upscale restaurants, not only here at the Ocean, but other hotels and casinos as well along the Atlantic City Boardwalk and on the marina side of town as well. But enough about what I plan on doing and what I did in the past. This is the here and now. We're here to check out a room, see what they look like right now at the Ocean Casino and Resort. They're sinking hundreds of millions of dollars into their hotel rooms here. Most of that, I believe, is going towards new rooms, not so much the old ones. And the old ones could use an upgrade, but we'll see what the room looks like. Come on along, let's check in and check it out. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in an older Las Vegas video of mine, an evening walk on the Las Vegas Strip. Congratulations, Wise Malik. And also a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in the newest Las Vegas video, Harrah's Hotel and Casino. Congratulations, Deborah. These two, Wise Malik and Deborah, are extremely competitive when it comes to these mascots. And the record is 5 in a row, which Wise Malik holds, but Deborah Camacho is determined to break that. So it's a riot how competitive these two are. Who will come out ahead? Who will be the first to find 6 in a row? Will it be one of those two or another person, a new one? We'll find out soon. And just a quick editing disclaimer here. At the beginning of this video, I might have led you to believe that the slot pull later in this video is going to be here at the Ocean Casino and Resort. And that was my initial intention. And during the editing of this video, I went to open that slot pull folder, and it was completely empty. I have no idea what happened to those files. That slot pull is just, I guess, 86th. So, but fear not, I have lots of slot pulls in my laptop here, and I'm going to bring you one that I did recently at resorts just down the boardwalk a bit. Equally as exciting. The room was comped, and as I continue to walk down this hallway, I'm beginning to think I might have a corner room, but I'm a little bit disappointed because, well, I'm one room shy of the corner room, but hey, the price was right. Who am I to complain? Then I realized, hey, Jeff from New York, you're an idiot. You're walking in the wrong direction. So I'm not even near the corner, apparently. It's early. It's about, 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. I did have my coffee, but I'm still half asleep. And by the way, of course, I make no guarantees, but checking into the Ocean and checking into the Hard Rock, early check-ins is usually never an issue. Sometimes it is, especially in the summertime, but usually it's not. So like I said, I had a comp room, it's very early in the morning, and they gave me my room right away. Hey, if you're digging this video, why not give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to the New York channel. It really does help the channel out. And click on that notification bell. It'll let you know when a new post comes on in the community room, as well as a new video here on the New York channel. Some of you may have noticed the NFL Live show on the flat screen TV, and that's NFL Live on ESPN runs during the entire off season. So no, this video's not that old. It wasn't done during football season. It's pretty current. There, that's better. I know I had one bad experience here quite a while ago. The room was kind of dirty when I checked in, and I have to say that was just a one-time experience. Ever since then, and before then, the room is really clean when I checked in, and the furniture's a little worn down. I mean, it looks like it's the original stuff from back when it was the Revel, and I know they're sinking a ton of money into the new rooms, but some of these older rooms could certainly use some upgrades. But it is clean, it is comfortable. Alrighty, let's head downstairs and take a quick look at the pool and then onto that slot pole. Again, a much more extensive tour of the Ocean Casino and Resort coming up here soon on the New York channel. This was just a tour of the room and a very quick tour of the pools. What'd you think? Leave a comment below. And now we're going to head over to resorts just a little bit down the boardwalk to do a slot pull. Stay tuned. So here we are at resorts. I'm going to play this Dragon Link slot machine. I like Dragon Link slot machines. I also like Wheel of Fortune slot machines and Chili Fire slot machines. And from what I understand, from what you guys are telling me, I'm playing all the wrong machines. And that's pretty much the way my luck goes. But maybe I'll be lucky here. Anyway, this is a Dragon Link Happy and Prosperous slot machine. I'm betting the usual $100 and pretty much the usual $5 a bet. Let's see how long this lasts. I can't help notice that Buddha looks a lot like me watching Netflix. Well, this is promising. It looks like I won somewhere between 50 and 60 bucks. Alright, so I'm ahead of the game here at $123 in the bank. But you guys know me, I'm waiting for that big jackpot, that big bonus. Will I get one? We'll see. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. Well guys, it looks like I crashed and burned playing this Dragon Link slot machine today. I didn't even get a bonus, and I'm playing $5 a spin. I could have won a lot of money, but of course I didn't. If you guys have any comments regarding or any tips regarding slot machines, leave them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.